Hello everybody, we got Cleo and Lightning's litter here, born 9/20 of 2018. I'm just going to go in order that they was born and what color they're wearing, so everybody knows which one is which. Number 1 is a girl, she's yellow. Number 2 is a boy with orange. Number 3 is a boy with blue. Number 4 is purple boy. Number 5 is red boy. Number 6 is pink girl. And number 7 is a boy green. Again, number 1 is yellow, number 2 is orange, number 3 is blue, number 4 is purple, number 5 is red, number 6 is pink, number 7 is green. They don't normally have these on, and I just kind of got them on for everybody so they can see which one is which. So if they're scratching at them or pulling on each other, they just had them on for a couple minutes and they all think it's a game, and they're not used to them, so they're kind of itch because it feels weird. As of the time of this video, girl number 1 with the yellow, she's available. The other girl with the pink has been picked. As of right now, we have 4 boys that's going to be available. Picking hasn't happened yet with the first pick of the first boy, so 4 of these boys are going to be available, and girl number 1 with the pink is available right now for deposit. I think in 2 or 3 days they'll be 5 weeks old. 2 days, because today's Tuesday. On Thursday they'll be 5 weeks. These all should be somewhere probably under 25 pounds. My guess is most of them will probably be 20, 22 pounds. Cleo is probably not 22, 23 pounds. Lightning is probably only 17 or 18 pounds. Just in case you see one that's a little bit more ornery than the others, this is just a little glimpse into their life. For the most part, they're all ornery. Some just more tired than others.